It is pretty amazing, Lisa, that you find that people find purpose in this, because it's an additional responsibility. And these results would suggest that it has, I'll borrow a word from a colleague, suboptimal impact on mental health. You can see here, this is among our caregivers. Nearly 2/3 say it has had a major or a minor negative impact on their mental health, their physical health and well-being, and then some critical components to financial well-being, being able to save for emergencies and save for retirement. Little lower on the list, but still 46% say that caregiving has had a negative impact on their ability to manage the household finances. And then a couple here about a negative impact on being able to work the hours you need or want, or be able to retire when you want, right? So it's having an impact at work as well.
And from a caregiving perspective, when we talk about caregiving, we talk about not just this idea that maybe if you aren't currently a caregiver, you probably will be in the future or be a recipient of care. But we talk about the ripple effect of caregiving, right? So, and that ripple, when you imagine a rock being thrown into water, has smaller ripples that then exacerbate or move outward and have longer legs. And we do see that in a variety of areas. We see that in terms of physical health, right? Physical strain of actually providing care. We see that on family life and trade-offs that one might have to make in terms of how you spend your time or your downtime. We see that in terms of emotional or mental well-being, in terms of work, and also in terms of finances, both in the short term, right? That's short-term savings, but also long-term, the retirement planning. So I think this is really sort of complementary data to what we know about caregivers and the challenges that they face and how it impacts their lives.